So basically, nutrition in animals is like, if we talk about unicellular organism are made up of single cell only. So they do have nutrition done with the help of their body only. Like if you talk about amoeba has very pseudo, we can say it is false projection, which look like a finger. So they
Yeah.
obtain their food from the atmosphere, from the surrounding, and food will be engulfed with the help of this finger-like projection.
Hmm.
Then food will move to the food vacuole where it is digested with the help of digestive enzyme and absorbed, and undigested food is then returned back to the surrounding with the help of their surface. So this is the whole process. They are injecting their food with the help of false finger-like projection, which we call pseudopodia. Then food will move to food vacuole where it is digested and absorbed, and undigested food will be returned back to the surrounding. So if
Okay.
I show you the way how it get done, so you can see the red one is the food particle that is in the surrounding, and this see
Yeah.
the pseudopodia false finger like
Hmm.
projection angles that food
Yeah.
particle,
From the
and
surrounding.
food, yeah, and food move into the food vacuole where it gets digested, absorbed, and undigested food is expelled out. So this
Exactly.
is the process of amoeba. So please write it down. And I'm assuming that you know the diagram. And if you don't know the diagram, then
Yes,
I
ma'am, I know.
suggest you, yeah, I suggest you to prepare it.
Should I draw?
Yeah, no, just write the steps. You can leave the space for the diagram. After the class, you can draw.
ठीक है.
So are you through with the unit test?
Which SST tomorrow?
Yeah, acha, do you have the test tomorrow? So is the same as the case with paramecium. Paramecium is
Okay.
also unicellular. It
Hmm.
also have nutrition of the form holozoid. Same
Yeah.
5 steps. We also have same 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, then absorption, then
Yes.
assimilation, and last is egestion. You can just correlate it with your 4 fingers and thumb. So all are important. 5 steps. Each and
Right,
every
right,
step is
exactly.
important. Yeah.
Now, this whole process in human beings a bit lengthy, right?
But yeah, it is very lengthy and it is very complex
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
In
exactly.
unicellular, it is very simple. See, we
Hmm.
have talked about whole process in one slide. But in
Right.
humans, it is really difficult and
Yeah.
complex one. That alimentary canal and
Right.
juices secreted,
And
amylase,
function of
function
each.
of each and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it is done, do that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, so you can see this is paramecium, again holozoic. But if you remember in amoeba, I talked to you that ingestion of food take place with the help of pseudopodia. While here, ingestion of food take place through cilia. Cilia are like hair-like structures which inject the food through the oral groove. So there is an
Right.
opening. Yeah. So that ingestion takes place with the help of hair-like structures, which we call in biocilia. So
Right.
the food gets
Ma'am,
ingested.
tentacles is also there, I think. in some other
Yeah,
organism.
animals. Yeah, so tentacles are just for protecting them also. So these are the adaptations you can say, because they have to protect themselves. So they sting with the help of tentacles. And cilia is like hair-like structures.
Yeah.
I can also show you the diagram. So they help in ingestion of food, and rest of the things are like same as amoeba. And here in paramecium, there is egestion is done with, there is a special opening, anal pore. With the help of anal pore, the food is expelled out. But in case of amoeba, food is expelled out with the help of plasma membrane. So whole of the body is in contact with the surrounding. But here there is a special place for egestion of that undigested food. So these
Okay.
two are the difference between paramecium and amoeba. Rest all are same.
Okay. Right.
Paramecium.
Paramecium.
Yeah. And anal pore is from where the food, undigested food will get digested. So you can see this is the body of paramecium, which is single cell organism. It has hair-like structure. That hair-like structure is called cilia. There is a oral groove for ingestion of the food. There is a pore for egestion of undigested food. There are contractile and food vacuole. And the shape of paramecium is just like a sleeper.
Okay.
And
Yes.
shape of amoeba is irregular. Amoeba do not have any regular shape.
Yes.
So let's come to the basic and very fundamental nutrition process which we want to learn in depth, that is nutrition in human beings. Okay, so basically human beings have a proper system which is devoted for nutrition. In human beings, we are multicellular organisms. We have division of labor. So digestive system take care of digestion. That is nutrition is taken care by this digestive system. And we have holozoic nutrition, meaning consists of 5 essential steps. So let me start with the alimentary canal. So alimentary canal is like it starts from mouth and it ends on anus. So it is 9 meter in length.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are many glands also, which is helpful in digestion. So they secrete enzymes, and this enzymes, or you can say these are the chemicals which helps in breakdown of food,
Into smaller
because food is
molecules.
a very complex particle. It has to be broken down into smaller molecules. So that is being done in this whole process of digestion.
Okay.
So this is the diagram of digestive system. You can see the digestive system or alimentary canal starts from the oral or buccal cavity. There are glands which are associated, like salivary glands are there.
Right.
And then if we move downward, then we can see the J-shaped stomach. It is muscular organ, and there is large intestine, small intestine, then alimentary canal, and at anus. There are liver, gallbladder. These are the essential glands. Liver is the biggest gland in our body, very important gland of our body. I will be discussing this in detail. We do have pancreas also associated with the process of digestion. So from here you need to write only about holozoic nutrition. Just write nutrition in human beings consists of holozoic nutrition, and just write down about the length of alimentary canal and from where it starts and
Starts
from
and
where
ends.
it ends. That much only.
Right.
things will become very simple if you try to understand it. So
Yeah.
try to visualize it together with me so that you need not to learn it apart.
Yes. I'm done.
Okay. So the main glands which helps in digestion are salivary glands, which are present in this mouth cavity, gastric glands, it is present in stomach, liver, pancreas, and intestinal glands. So these are glands which have their individual role in digestion process.
I'm done.
Okay. So now we will be describing each and every part of alimentary canal one by one. So it starts from the mouth where ingestion of food take place. So that region is called buccal cavity. It
Yeah.
consists of teeth, saliva, and
And
tongue.
tongue.
Yeah,
Mm.
so teeth is helping in breaking down of food into smaller particles. Saliva is helping in mixing that food, making that weight so that it can be slided down. Tongue is helping in sliding it down in the downward direction. So this is tongue also have taste buds in it which helps in identification of various tastes. So this is our buccal cavity. Apart from that, one more point I want to stress here, that is saliva consists of salivary amylase. There is a gland called salivary gland, and the secretion of salivary gland is salivary amylase. So what happened? Whenever we are eating it, you can just feel it today at your at your dinner time. You just eat it, you just try to break it down into smaller particles, and you
Yeah.
might be feeling like sugary taste
Mm.
once you started this process, because
Okay.
digestion starts at mouth itself. So it gets converted into sugar. Then the next step is that food will enter the food pipe. The name of food pipe is esophagus. So the first part of digestion starts from the mouth itself. It is very important question asked many times.
Okay.